Talking a little bit more about our Storeteq F-100. You can integrate it with a saw. You can also integrate it with a CNC nesting machine. Plus, there's a lot of configuration options in the standard, like you can see here, up to 12 meters. You will not have an additional beam holding it up, so we have a really small footprint. But you can also extend it quite a lot, adding additional in-feed stations, adding storage stations, or even adding up to 3 machines in total to configure in the way that it's best for our customers. But now let's walk over to our Storeteq S-200 that we have fully integrated with this single axis feeder. If we go to the front, one special option obviously that you can see is our IntelliGuide Classic, which is a navigation system for our operators. Makes life a lot easier. And as I told you in the back, we have the Power Concept Classic, which is our entry-level solution for power concepts, increasing the output by up to 30%, and therefore making this combination the perfect option for your shop.